Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit videos like a pro on iPhone with iMovie. Before you start editing videos using iMovie on your iPhone, make sure that you've recorded enough footage and as far as possible, you already have sequencing in mind if you are going to combine several clips in iMovie. Then, follow these steps in this video to edit videos on your iPhone. First, open the iMovie app, tap Start a new project, then tap the Movie option. Select the media, video clips and photos you want to use on your video project, and tap Create Movie. Alternatively, you can choose the storyboard option to use preloaded iMovie templates. Once you've selected a template, you can add videos, photos, and music. As the name suggests, this option pretty much takes away the task of conceptualizing a storyboard for your video project. There are currently 21 pre-made templates available in Movie. iMovie pretty much provides you with all the basic video editing options that you'll need to get your video project ready for publishing as quickly as you can learn how to use it. And you will see the list of video editing options available for you to use on your video project using iMovie. Now, to save your iMovie, tap Done in the upper left corner of your timeline screen. To name your video project, simply tap on the default title and change it to whatever title you want. Next, to save your project, tap the share icon at the bottom of the screen. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.